Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To our right, you're looking at one of our electric countertop food warmers. Okay, now this unit is going to have a cover here, plastic cover here, as you can see. Before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and measure the unit for you. Measurements for this warmer: 14.5 of length, front to back or across, 22.5 inches, 22.5, and overall height with this glass or this plastic cover here, you're looking at about 18 inches high. Okay, so for this cover, you can open it from both sides here. Okay, so you have openings from both sides. I'm going to go ahead and open up a warmer from one side here, and across on the inside, you're looking at 20 inches by 12 inches. Okay, and from the bottom to the top here, it is 6 inches. Okay, so you can fit a long pan here or 2 half pans depending on how you want to use it. And also on the front, we have our temperature adjuster followed by our power switch. And on the back, we have our plug. It is a standard US plug here. And you have a sticker here with more information regarding this warmer. For example, the model, the voltage, and the watts. Okay, this food warmer is going to be certified. It does have certifications as well on the sticker. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this electric countertop food warmer. If you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.